Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen doing some no-cook cooking. And what no-cook cooking means, there's no fire, there's no heat. You're either using things that are already cooked and put together, just assembling them, or things that don't require any fire or anything like that. So today I'm doing dessert. And I'm doing healthy desserts. So the best way to not cook a dessert and make it healthy, of course, is to use some fruit. So I'm gonna make some fruit glasses for you guys today. Of course, everything in Lavonne's kitchen has to be tasty, quick, and presentation is a must. So fruit is tasty. Presentation is all about what we're gonna do in these glasses, and it's really quick. So basically, I have some fruit. I have some red grapes, green grapes, some strawberries, and some fresh pineapple, and a few orange slices. So what I'm gonna do with this is I've got 4 different glasses here, and I'm just gonna make 4 different things for you guys. First one, I'm just going to put strawberries in it, but I'm putting my strawberries they're cut in half. And so when they're cut, you can see the whites inside, but I only want you to see the red. So what I'm gonna do, I want you to see the red on the outside of the glass. So I'm going to put them in there so that you see the red on the outside of the glass. Just arrange them like that. Everywhere you look, you'll just see red. So on the inside, you see the white, but you're not going to be able to see that because I'm going to put pineapples in there. Cover it all up so you don't see the whites of the strawberries. And then on the top, I'm going to garnish that with a strawberry. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? That's what I said. Quick presentation, and it's tasty. It's fruit. So that's our first no-cook dessert. I'll be back with the second one. And while I'm getting ready for the second one, I want to make sure you hit that subscribe button. Be back in a second. So we're back with our second dessert-filled glass, or should I say our fruit-filled glass, which is going to be our dessert. And so for this one, we're going to take 2 orange slices and put one on each side like that. So can you see it like that? There you go. And then we're just going to fill it up. And what I like to do for presentation is have one color at a time. So you see I have the green. Now I have the red grapes. Then I'm going to put the pineapples. One more red grape in there. I want to make sure everything is separated. Then we have the pineapples. And let's top this one off with a strawberry as well. Why not? There you go. Let's do it like that. One more pineapple to hold it up. There you go. And we have our fruit. There you go. And it's just different colors. It's just fruit in a glass. No cooking, healthy, and delicious. I'll be back. So I'm back and I'm ready to do our third cooked dessert. So this one is just a little champagne glass. And I sliced the orange and put it on the side of the glass for decoration. And this one is going to be like a fruit cocktail. I want to mix the colors of this one. So I'm going to just add fruit all over the place, all different colors. Let's see. There we go. Doesn't need a lot for this one. This is a small glass, first of all. And we just got some color. Let's do this. You know me, I'm real picky about my presentation. I'm going to add my strawberry this way. There we go. So It's just a little fruit cocktail with fresh fruit. And it's cute. You know, it's cute, it's refreshing, it's dessert, and it's healthy. So my last dessert, I have a fancy little glass, and I just cut a little strawberry and put on it. And because the Christmas colors are red and green, I'm going to put green in the bottom, some green grapes. I'm going to throw some strawberries on the top. Let's see, line them up going around the glass. I'm going to put my strawberries just like this with the points sticking out. Okay. And then what I'm going to do, of course, it may not be so healthy, but I'm going to put a dollop of whipped cream right on top of there. Isn't it pretty? That's my Christmas dessert, you guys. So it's healthy. The presentation is so cute. And it was quick. It's tasty. That's what we do in Lavonne's kitchen. So let me line them up for you so that you can see all four of them. This was our first one, just strawberries and pineapple. Our second one, we lined it with the oranges, put green grapes, red grapes, some pineapples, and a little strawberry on top. Our last one, we just did a little fruit cocktail with all four of our fruits and a little orange wedge for garnish. And our last one, we did our Christmas one with our green grapes and our strawberries. So thank you guys for joining me in the kitchen. Again, I ask that you not only subscribe, but hit that like button as well. And then we'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.